Hello everybody, it's July the 16th, 2021. I wanted to share with you this 1988 Honda CBR600F1 Hurricane that I just recently restored. I gave her a fresh coat of paint, shined her up here and there, gave her a tune-up, change of oil, went to a synthetic Mobil 1 if it wasn't already on there. I don't know, but I only use Mobil 1 for all my stuff, lawnmower included. This 1988 Honda CBR600F has about, maybe, let me see here, I'll tell you exactly what she has. 27,636.6 miles. She has had a lot of drive. You may notice that the chain guard is removed from this bike, but I have it on order and I will be getting it next week, where I will install it and make this bike a little safer. I really don't know why people take the chain guards off their bikes and thinks it, it's all safe, but it ain't, Get to get my shoelaces in there and get my foot messed up, I don't want my foot messed up. Anyway. Let's turn her on. Everything works on her, Signal lights, brake lights, the horn. You gotta, make sure everything safe that is on this bike is operable. You don't want to be out on the road with no horn. You don't want to be out on the road, with low tires or something that, leaking out of the motor that could cause a slip and fall. Let's rev her up. See how she sounds. Oh man, got a lot of power. I hope everybody's having a good day. Everybody's, feeling blessed to be on God's green earth today. Godspeed, everybody.